Hi guys, welcome to quick Excel tutorials for beginners. Um, if you have not chanced on my other videos, then please click on the link below to watch them. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And also click on the notification button to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Today I'll show you how to use some if function to find out the total value for a repeated, item. So basically, what sum if function does is it look for a repeated item in a list of items and then automatically add a value to give you the total sum of that particular item. So let's use this simple sales table. So in column B, we have a repeated list of items here. Okay, but what we want to do is that we want Excel to calculate the total value for these items. In other words, we are referring to the unique items. So to solve the problem, the first thing I will do is I will copy the list of items here. I'll copy the list of items here. And what I'll do is I'll paste it here because this is where I want my output. Now, the next thing for me to do is to remove the duplicate so I can have the unique list. So to remove the duplicate, I'll go to data and then I'll look for remove duplicate. This will bring up a dialog box. I'll choose the second option, continue with the current selection, then remove duplicate, okay, and okay. So now, as you can see, we have our unique list. Now we can write our sum if function to add up, the total value for all of the repeated items for us. So the first thing we want to find out is the gross total, for all the items. So to go about it, we write our formula equal to sum if. Okay, and notice that when you start writing your formula, automatically there is a pop-up guide to help you write your argument successfully. Okay, so the first thing Excel is asking us is what is the range that we're looking for? In other words, the reference range we'll be using. So the range is we're looking for list of the repeated items. So this is our range. Okay, and then comma. Then the next thing is Excel is asking what criteria are we referring to. So basically what Excel is saying that what reference do you want to use for this range of cells. So we are saying we want tomatoes, which is I3, comma. And then the last thing Excel is asking here, what is the sum range? Where do you want me to sum the total for you? So in this instance, we are looking for gross total. So gross total is in column E on this table. So I will select column E and then close bracket, and basically that is it. So the command is Excel will go to Excel will use I3, these tomatoes, and then run through the range column, and anytime Excel finds tomato, automatically it will add the value for us. So let's enter our formula. Boom. And now Excel is saying gross total for tomatoes from January to December is 2,982 pounds. Let's populate it down and then we have it for the rest of the items. So it's the same thing for discount and total. So what we want is we can just copy the formula and just change the sum range. But for practice purposes, let me write it. So equal to sum if the range we're looking for column B, comma, criteria is tomatoes, comma, and then our sum range we're looking for discount. So comma, sorry, close bracket and enter. Then the same thing equal to sum if range tomatoes, okay, comma, criteria is tomatoes, and then sum range should be our net total. Close bracket, enter. Now, all I need to do is to highlight and double click and it will populate the rest for me. So sum if function is very handy when you are working with figures. It is not difficult at all. If you follow it very carefully and you keep practicing, you will understand the concept behind sum if function. Hope this tutorial helps. Thank you and see you in my next tutorial.